How to make an image spin in CapCut PC. First, I'm going to drag this video into the timeline. Next, we'll resize the object so it fits properly on the video screen. To make the object spin, we'll use keyframes, and it's very simple to do. Move the playhead to the very beginning of the object and make sure the object is selected in the timeline. Now, go to the video panel on the right and find the Rotate section. Click Add Keyframe to create your first keyframe. This will add a keyframe to the video, and here you can set the starting rotation. I'll keep it at 0 degrees to start. Next, move the playhead a few frames forward and rotate the object using the rotation tool. If I play this back, you'll see the object rotate slightly. You can keep adding more keyframes by moving forward a few frames and rotating the object further each time. When you play it back, you'll notice the rotation starts slow and then speeds up. You can adjust this however you like by spacing out the keyframes differently. If I move forward a few more frames and continue rotating the object multiple times, the object will spin faster and faster. Just experiment with the keyframes until you get the rotation exactly how you want it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.